Friends, this was the time when I felt away from my energies and felt a little low for no reason, like the me is missing from myself. So I used this downtime to let myself recharge and replenish by doing something that can inspire me. This is the space where I can contemplate and appreciate the nothingness. And with each sip of this hot tea, I let myself drive from the place I stopped. Please ignore the background sound as this is vacation time and all the kids are playing late, even they start early in morning also. So all you lovely people, welcome to It's Bageshri's Color Box and let's start this video. I drew 4 designs and decided to give it a frame for each of them. I used basic chart paper and cardboard sheet to create frames from them. Before sticking the chart paper, I made the arrangement to hang these frames. Going ahead, I began to stick them from all the sides and the 3 short frames were ready. For the last frame, which is slightly larger, I am using the tissue sheet to cover all the 4 edges. This is how the frame appears with white border. Going further, I am using this printed sheet to create a background. For that, I have cut a rectangular piece from the center and stuck a white sheet behind it. So, now I can stick the entire piece on the frame and I begin with the calligraphic motivational quote. At the end, I am coloring the white leaves with silver shade such that it can shine whenever the light falls on them. Moving ahead with the second frame, I am using this light pink pastel shade. Outlining this with the darker shade of pink. This entire process was very relaxing. Calligraphic codes are my favorite and I like to do it even when I am not making a video. I've applied white glue here, and with the help of air dry clay, I'm trying to form this scooter. This looks like an old model scooter, and I'm quickly giving it a nice blue shade. This paper flowers over here is to give a good vibe feeling, and it completes this frame. It might not be so perfect, but it looks so cute. Similarly, this is the third frame, and I'm giving a background color before I begin with the clay work. While making this bicycle, it reminded me of my good old school days. My school was very near to my house, but still, I used to take my cycle to school every day. All I can say is those were the best days of my life, and they were completely mad days. I gave it a nice bright yellow shade, and in this entire frame, my favorite is this basket of flowers, and this completes this frame here. This is the fourth and the last frame. I have not covered all the calligraphic work in this video because the video would have been longer and you would have got bored here. But the entire process was very soothing. It has enlightened me a lot and actually drifted me from where I started. I'm creating the front view of this van because it signifies the word journey. More than that, the word journey, it reminds me of some picnic that we used to go with our friends, and the luggage reminds me of some family trips, and those were some memories that I still have. So let me show you how I have displayed them all. If you have reached till here, I'm sure you are enjoying this video, and if so, do not leave this video without smashing that like button. This channel is new and I'm sure you are new here as well. Please encourage me by liking, sharing, and most important by subscribing. Your subscription supports me in a big way. I'm trying my best to grow this channel by adding all my lovely colorful DIY decors, so stay tuned and do subscribe.